Hey guys, just launched this completely free GPT research-based extension. It is called GPT Deep Research, and it allows you to basically enter any query or topic, and then it extensively compiles a research report or response on that query. And now, to start things off, you want to go to gptdeepresearch.net. Once you're there, you'll see the option to download the extension in Chrome or Firefox. You can pick whatever you want based on your preferences. As soon as you download the extension, it will open it, but if you want to open it afterwards, you can always just click on the extension icon to automatically open this page where I am right now. So when you open it, you will see that it is asking you to enter a query or a topic. In this case, let's just say 5 ways to make money, and then you want to simply just press start researching. Now, when you press start researching, you'll notice that it first generates an outline. In this case, sometimes it might not give you the response that you want, so you can actually just generate the outline again. In this case, I'm not going to give it any feedback because it should be pretty obvious what the issue was. So hopefully this time around it gets the correct outline, and it does. So it gives you a title and then the correct sections. Now, what it will do now is individually you are able to research each section, and you are able to basically get the resources or sources each time an internet search is involved. So in this case, I'm happy with the outline, so we're going to continue to researching the section 1, which is always going to be the introduction, and the last section is always going to be the conclusion. Now in this case, pretty standard. I'm not going to go through the entire flow here, but just to show you guys how it works here, it's going to go through each section one by one, research it thoroughly using internet sources as needed, and then it will list the sources at the end of the response as you saw in the beginning. So like right here, it lists the sources. If I just move myself over to here, you'll see all the sources that it went through in order to give you this extensive response. And then once again, if I wanted to change anything for this response, I can always just generate the section again and tell the AI exactly why and what needs to be changed, and it will do so accordingly. So now you are able to do that for each section, and you can imagine at the end you'll have a pretty comprehensive research paper, and you'll be able to then at the end simply copy the entire research paper as a whole, or you can copy it individually section by section. There are other cool features like dark mode, light mode. You can go back to the upload page where you, or the query input page where you were in the beginning. You can always give feedback, and then if you're having an issues, you can click this button here, as well as closing the overlay. Underneath it, you'll find the ChatGPT website. But yeah, that's a quick overview of how the GPT Deep Research extension works. Thanks for watching.